boys and girls. I hope you're having a really good day. We have just a few skills to cover for Mole and the Baby Bird, Day 3. Let's look at these daily fix-its. See if you can find 2 mistakes in each sentence before I change the slide. The first one says, may we go to the store? The second one, we need to buy milk. Think about it. Did you notice that sentence 5 did not begin with a capital letter? And they put no punctuation mark at the end of that sentence. It was a question and it needed a question mark. Sentence 6, we need to buy milk. Need, K-N-E-A-D, means to smash or biscuit dough or Play-Doh. The correct word was N-E-E-D. We need to buy milk. If you buy something at the store and pay money, you should use the word B-U-Y. Today we will read about Mole. Mole learns that he is being selfish. He also learns that freedom is important. What new ideas have you learned this week? Let's go over these words that are in the story. Usually, presently. Remember, if something happens in the present, it's happening now. Borrowed ends with the ed, so this is the past tense of borrow. Let's do these again. Usually, presently, borrowed. And let's see if you can help me read them in the sentences. Where is Mother Bird? Sentence 1. Mother birds usually take care of their babies. Presently, this little bird was all alone. Mole borrowed a cart and took the baby bird home. Okay, let's see if we can finish up with these high frequency words. Let's see if you can say them before I do. Let's give it a try. Door, took, loved, won't, should, found, would, because, wild. And that is it for today. We'll talk some more tomorrow.